Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to restore your wallet for Trust Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. From the first interface, tap on Add Existing Wallet. You will now need to create your passcode. Go ahead and enter a passcode for your wallet. Confirm it by retyping it again. And then from the Add Existing Wallet, you can restore your wallet by choosing one of the options. If you're previously backed up by iCloud, you can tap on Restore from iCloud Backup. If you've previously backed up your secret phrases, tap on the secret phrase option at the top and select your network. Now, you will need to go ahead and enter the secret phrases that you previously backed up. After typing in the secret phrase, tap on Restore Wallet at the bottom and you will be able to restore your wallet. All you need is your mnemonic phrases and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily restore your deleted wallet on Trust Wallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.